Hi, we are at the booth of Haenel on the Enforce Tech 2023. This is Felix from Haenel, and he wants to show us the new models of the Haenel HLR product line.
Exactly.
Just go ahead, please, Felix.
Okay. So the HLR series is basically the second generation of our sniper rifle lineup, originating from the RS series, RS8, RS9. We took the proven system of the barrel action and the bolt, which we are very happy with, and so far our users are also very happy with it. We did not change it, but our goal was to cut down the weight of the whole system, because we think that it's more important nowadays to be more nimble, more faster, more mobile with the platform, and also create a mobile modular sniper rifle platform. So what we've basically did, going from the back to the front, is we kept everything we liked and just tried to reduce weight where we can. So first of all, the weapon is approximately 700 grams lighter than the version before. Accomplished is that by, for example, changing the material of the stock folder. Earlier it was made out of one solid piece of steel. Now we've changed it to alloy, and to get more lifetime out of it, we reinforced the parts where the locking mechanism works into each other with steel inlays. So a small steel inlay instead of a big steel folder. The rest of the stock stays the same, so it's completely toolless, adjustable as you like to the situation, anti-shooter, easy and fast. Next thing we cut out those windows in the stock. So here it's perfectly usable for mounting a sling through it, but also to get more control of the rifle, to grab in there if you need to, for example shooting from unconventional position, or routing a small shooting bag through it if you like to. Next thing, of course, integrated NRR rail, Picatinny rail on the bottom, so you can easily mount a monopod if you like, or a back rider if needed. So much for the changes here. Next big change is the handguard, probably the most prominent feature of the rifle. Here we have the compact version of the rifle with a 51 centimeter barrel. That features an 8-slot M-lock handguard with 7 sides of M-lock, so on the sides 45 degrees, and of course also the lower portion. The neat part about this is that this enables us to mount modular accessories, so for example an ARCA rail or Picatinny rail to mount on a tripod, or use classical NRA platform accessories. So rest stays the same, cold hammer forged barrel, good coating, either flown coating on it that does not wear off as fast, and rest is the tried and true RS series in its core with a little bit lighter furniture on it.
So
the bigger one in the family is basically the HLR 338. The name suggests it's chambered in 338 Lapua Magnum. You can also offer it in Norma Magnum 338. And of course the smaller platforms in 308 and 65 Creedmoor, for example, for PRS shooting. So everything stays the same. One difference is that on the width of the receiver of the HLR 338, we can integrate fixed milled-in ARCA rail. So it's exactly in the balance point of the rifle. You just put your tripod in there. You can work out of the system without the need of any adapters if you don't like to. Just clip that in there like here, and you have a solid platform. Since the barrel is way longer on the HLR 338, it's 69 centimeters long, we can use a 10-slot handguard, 10 M-lock slots in length, and that enables us to use almost every clip-on device we have on the governmental, military and civilian side. So it can be as big as you want, it will still fit on here without any problem. And your barrel is always protected by a big handguard.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So
last member of the family, exactly, is the more special purpose weapon. It's an HLR 308 subsonic. As the name suggests, it's meant to be used with subsonic ammunition. So we got a pretty short barrel in it. It's 35 centimeters long with an 8-inch twist, so it's perfectly balanced for heavier grain subsonic projectiles. It's a special weapon for special applications, more seen on the governmental side than on the civilian side, of course. Rest is the same, it's basically just a different barrel and a different suppressor.
Okay.
That's basically it.
Thank you, Felix.
Yeah,
it was
thank you
very
for
nice
stopping by.
to be here at the Haenel booth, and see you next year.
Thank you.
Okay.